Hello, dear friends. This is Khil Narayan again from Urban Yogi, and now today our topic is um, we heard in recent past about a certain celebrity in film fraternity taking his own life, and I just wanted to share my thoughts on it uh, in this video, and generally on this topic of uh, this side or under pressure in urban setting. So here it is. Um, Sushant Singh took his life for various reasons, and the reasons that are coming out in on various TV channels, etc. They are talking about nepotism. They are talking about politics. They are talking about somebody throwing out somebody, cornering, clouting, isolating, and various other names are given to the causes, probable causes of such an event, sad event, and very sad. And my heart goes out for this boy. Um, and it was unfortunate, I think, very unfortunate. But let's just dig in into this topic a little bit more deeper, specifically for this industry, the film fraternity, the actors, artists. My take on this is that it's a highly recognized industry, and it has two very huge, I would say, rewards if you are successful in this industry. One is it's a high remuneration, high paying industry, and it is high in terms of recognition that you get. High on recognition, high on remuneration. My dear friends, any industry which gives you a lot of recognition and a lot of money is bound to be a little tricky, competitive, fiercely competitive, short lived. At times it can go long, but usually, I would say it is very tricky, because what is happening really is that everybody, every human being feeds on these two desires, always internal desires. One is, of course, desire for success, which is also synonymous to money, and recognition is the second one. Recognition. Everybody wants to be recognized. We are humans. It is a human tendency to be recognized. People should tell you, accolades to given to you, claps. People should come to you and say, oh my God, I saw you there and you were so good in your acting or craft, and fan following, and you suddenly become somebody who is recognizable. From being a person who nobody used to recognize, and this is not in case of only this particular celebrity, Sushant, but it is probably common for all. Uh, Whoever chooses this industry is clear about, I feel, two things: is you will get paid very well if you get established here, and you will get recognized. So both these are feeding material for your inner being. You get high recognition, and the money is beautiful. I mean, the amount of money some of these guys make is amazing amount of money they make. So everybody wants to do this. Everybody, before they get established as a layman, they think it's very probably easy, and coming on the screen, delivering two lines, do two bit of acting, and you get paid, and three people will start recognizing you more than ever before. But it's not easy. It doesn't come that easy. It is a little I mean, I would say situationally, it can be very brutal as an industry. Nothing wrong with the industry. Industry is very good. It gives employment to thousands of people. A good year in cinema makes everybody successful around. Money gets distributed, and with today's um, in today's time, it's something which gives employment to so many people. So clearly we cannot attribute to just one particular um, aspect of disappointment or rejection or which eventually leads to depression, and then people start thinking negatively about themselves and their lives. So my suggestion to my fellow, I mean my fellow friends who are in this fraternity is that first of all, if you get a chance to act, you should think yourself to be very lucky, which I'm sure everybody is already doing it. But don't take it very seriously. That's where people go wrong. You start taking yourself seriously because in a certain way, in a certain role, you were successful. You could have played that role very well, but in some other role, you may not look so good. You may not perform so in a good way, and people may have short-lived memories. They may like you for 3 hours, and then that's okay, and then they may not like you in your next film, and they may choose to not go for your movies or whatever that is that you choose to do. That's okay, because eventually you should never forget where you're coming from. You should never forget where you're coming from. You're coming from a past which no authority or no particular person has given you that authority or that power or that charisma or that magic wand on your head that you're going to become very successful in this industry. And nobody forces you to go into this industry. You see, nobody is telling you, because it is your own decision that I want to be a part of this industry and I want to do a lot of hard work and struggle, and whatever it takes, I will make it big. What is this making it big in any case? What is this recognition in any case when it is short lived? Thousands of prospective people come, they want to just make one serial, do one serial wonder, and then they are out. One movie wonders, they are out. Biggest stars' sons today are struggling for good work. There is no assurance or insurance in this business that somebody coming from the first family of this business is going to make big. In fact, the first family just did not have so many successful people coming around because you see, it's individualistic. Your acting is individualistic, and your success is directly related to how people respond to you, and you cannot control that. How people respond to you, you can never control. Nobody can do that. Nobody has ever been able to do it. So you don't have to take yourself very seriously if you get one successful serial or one successful movie. Doesn't mean the other one is going to have the same response. It's okay. And in any case, all this I would say, with due respects to all people, all of this, that there is somebody who's against somebody or clouting is happening and then nobody is going to. Why do they do this? Why do they do this? Think. Because everybody is very scared on this thin ice industry. Boss, if you make one wrong call or if luck is not in your favor, you lose 100 crores. That's not a small amount of money. Very difficult to recover. 100 crores you lose because one movie bombed. So everybody is rotating around that source, that money, that if somebody is even asking me not to support somebody and all, they may just listen because they know that eventually if I don't, then even I'm going to go out of work. And they are so scared because probably they may not have that kind of confidence in themselves, or they may not have that enough resources. Maybe 2-3 people pool in to make one movie. You see, everybody is nowadays investing. When I used to watch movies 20, 25, 30 years ago, there were no captions saying that sponsored by, very few. Nowadays, there are partners, digital partners, advertising partners, distribution partners, a million partners. You're already made your mark, already sold the asset before it gets into the public eye. So it's a complicated industry. There are complex people who are there at the realm, at the elm, at the highest level. They have also reached there through some ups and downs, something. Nobody wants to lose their position. You have to take everything with a pinch of salt. Everybody does hard work. Everybody is doing hard work. Not in this industry, in other industries. The people, actually the laborer is doing the most hard work to make those big buildings. But what happens? He is not at any time sooner thinking that I'll become owner of this building once. मैं इसका ओनर बन जाता हूँ क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ ईंट लगाई है, फिर वो अमिताभ बच्चन जी की इस टाइप की चीज़ें हो जाएंगी. वो अगर आप में उतना, अगर आपने कोई इंस्पिरेशन लेनी है और आप विलिंग टू डू डिसअपॉइंटमेंट के बाद भी आगे चलना, तो अलग बात है. हर एक में उतना नहीं होता स्ट्रेंथ जो उस कैरेक्टर में था उनकी मूवी में. तो ये कोई गलत नहीं है कि आप नहीं बड़े आदमी बन सकते, या वो यू कैन नॉट मेक अ बिग इन थिंग एंड God is not favoring blah blah blah. It doesn't. It's basically you have to know yourself internally. What are you made of? If you think that you are here and it's okay. So my advice is very clear. 2 things you can do. If you get a some sort of a job, acting job, it is good paying. Think it as a start, and think is that okay, now you are in a lottery zone, and put in your best effort, whatever it is. If it works, it works. You made some bucks. If it works little longer, you made more bucks. Be smart about your money. If you keep making it in this industry, start investing somewhere else because this may not last. You see? And recognition is something which is very, I think, temporary. आप आज कोई 3 जने आपको पूछ रहे हैं, tomorrow they may not choose to listen to you. So big deal. पहले कौन सा आपको कोई पूछ रहा था? तो अपने आप को don't take it yourself so seriously. You are okay. You are just a person who became little successful. People started liking you. They like your on-screen persona. You see? नेगेटिव रोल करते हो तो लोग जूते मारते हैं, ये बंदा गलत है. So you don't know the real person behind the persona. It's okay. You should walk on the street and nobody bothers with you for an autograph. You should be fine because you are doing something in your life which you felt like doing, you enjoyed doing it, and man, you're getting paid for it. And 3 people actually now know you more than what they used to know you before you started it. The good news. Be disciplined, stick to your craft, stick to your zone, and things will be working out fine. नहीं भी होता तो कौन सी आफत हो गई? It's okay. Maybe acting is not meant for you on a long-term basis. It's not meant for you in a long-term basis. Not a big problem. Because you don't know anything else to do, or you never put your efforts in studies, or 8th में, 9th में, 10th में मुझे तो actor ही बनना है. आधे से ज़्यादा time, you know what happens? People think that oh man, this guy is driving that amazing car. I would like to be owner of this car, and this is the way, because this is an industry which gives you that. Be prepared to be brutalized, be prepared to be cut through. अगर आप में वो नहीं है तो फिर नहीं आप स्टैंड कर पाओगे ये सारे टेरर, ये प्रेशर, ये कुछ भी, whatever said and done. आप you study, secure your future in something else before you enter this field. because this field is very tricky. Not to blame anybody for loss or for disappointment. Don't blame anybody, because things are going to happen here. And most of you, mind you, you may choose to disagree with me, but most of you know it. You just come here, most of you come here, and you feel that now I'm there, now it's going to be, and it's not smooth. It's not going to be. As I said, it's fierce. It has lot of money riding on it. Anything where money, lots of money rides on it, every kind of bullshit happens in that. Any industry you pick up, bullshit is happening. Film industry, because it's spoken about in media and all, but any industry you pick up, politics happens at highest levels. Tatas ho, Birlas ho, corporate lobbying ho, अपनी तो politics है ही. But where are we shying away from, boss? So be realistic, be sensible with your money, whatever you made. Be very clear that this is not non-lasting for anybody, right? And just invest it in a proper way, your time and money after you made it, and chill. नहीं हो रहा तो नहीं हो रहा. हाँ, मुझे कुछ और नहीं आता करना, ये बहुत बड़ा डायलॉग आप लोग मारने वाले हो सारे. मेरे को और कुछ नहीं आता करना, मैं तो गया आप काम से. नहीं बाबा, ऐसा nobody is like that. हाँ, you can learn. इसी के अंदर से you can start teaching people how to act, what are the nuances of this industry. किसी और को गाइड कर दो आप. आपसे नहीं होता. प्रोडक्शन में आ जाओ, थोड़े बहुत पैसे आपने कमा लिए, ओपन अ प्रोडक्शन हाउस. इनफ जान पहचान से एंड इनफ पीपल यू नो, यू विल बी एबल टू गेट अ फ्यू ऑफ orders of things. मतलब there are things that can be worked out. But if it is not, that means it's not meant for you. It's okay. So use your time in a better way. It's going to be difficult because मजे तो इधर आते हैं बॉस. पेंट लग रहा है, वो सब हो रहा है, 6 लोग पूछ रहे हैं, you feel important. Get out of this feeling of feeling important. You are here to do acting. Act. Importance वगैरह तो बाद में आएगा. Why do you think earlier people used to be sustainers? Because they were just acting. वो कोई स्पॉट बॉय है, कौन है, क्या है, मेरे को वो 4 जने पूछ रहे हैं, आई बिकम एन एक्टर नाउ, आई बिकम अ स्टार, दिस दैट. नो, दे आर जस्ट एक्टिंग. तो वो सस्टेनेबिलिटी आ गई थी उनमें. मेच्योरिटी ऑफ माइंड तो चाहिए ना बॉस इस इंडस्ट्री के लिए. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, नो नीड टू फ्रेट, नो नीड टू गेट डिप्रेस्ड. You have any challenges, you want any counseling, or you want to talk, you can leave your comment in the description box down, or there will be a link also and a number also, and we can chat at any time you feel like, boss. I am there. Urban Yogi. Thank you.